We have to apologize for our interruption of our regular programming, but Her Majesty's government has made a very shocking and unnerving discovery about a foreign object heading towards Earth. The UK Space Agency in Wiltshire has discovered that an asteroid, which has recently been dubbed as Damocles, is heading on a direct collision course with planet Earth. As of this broadcast, the current measurements of this asteroid are 45 kilometers by 30 kilometers. This asteroid will likely impact our planet within the next 8 hours. Since impact is not certain, it is advised that you do not panic, as it will worsen the situation. The UK Space Agency is working on methods to stop this asteroid from making impact and causing global decimation. Please make sure you have a battery-powered radio with spare batteries in the event that the tellies go offline. That is all the information we have for now. Please stay tuned to this station for more information. This is an update to the broadcast about the asteroid named Damocles. As of this broadcast, the asteroid measures approximately 40 kilometers by 25 kilometers. The UK Space Agency has also confirmed that the asteroid will directly impact Earth, which is predicted to be within the next 4.5 hours. Several members of the UK Space Agency are working on conducting a test of a nuclear missile to destroy or render the asteroid non-lethal. Previous instructions still remain in place, but now you should go into a shelter with doors and windows closed and locked. Make sure you have food, water, clothing, medical aid, torches and a battery-powered radio with spare batteries while in your shelter. That is all the information we have for now. Please stay tuned to this station for more information. This is another important update regarding the asteroid named Damocles. As of this broadcast, the asteroid now measures approximately 30 kilometers by 20 kilometers. This asteroid is expected to impact the Earth within the next 2.5 hours, and it is likely going to impact somewhere in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. The UK Space Agency is now working on firing the missile at the asteroid to destroy or render it non-cataclysmic. If it fails, it is likely the end of humanity will occur. Previous instructions still remain in place at this time. Make sure you have food, water, clothing, medical aid, torches and a battery-powered radio with spare batteries while in your shelter. That is all we have for now. Please stay tuned to this station for more information. Unfortunately, our plans to stop this asteroid have ended in failure. The asteroid, named Damocles, is confirmed to impact Earth. As of this broadcast, the current measurements of this asteroid are 20 kilometers by 10 kilometers. This asteroid's projected target is somewhere in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, and its projected impact time is approximately 60 minutes. As a result of this, you are urged to say your final goodbyes. Since this asteroid is so large and our attempts were unsuccessful, there is absolutely nothing that can be done to stop Damocles from impacting Earth and causing a global cataclysm. When Damocles makes impact, expect the Earth to tremble with great force, and turn into a massive fireball, as well as earthquakes with 10.0 magnitudes, tsunamis towering over 2,000 kilometers and the eruption of several supervolcanoes across the globe. The United Kingdom encourages you to do any methods to prepare for impact. You may wish to gather with your family and friends or do whatever makes you comfortable. Her Majesty's government has also included the use of suicide as a method of preparation of the end of the world. You can use a firearm or a blade to commit suicide. By blade, slice through your throat fully. Death will come quickly. By firearms, place the muzzle of the weapon to the roof of your mouth and pull the trigger. Do not do this if children are in close proximity, as this will leave them alone and in emotional distress. It is your choice as to whether or not to tell them of the current events. That is all from us at the BBC. We hope that your end is as quick and peaceful as ours. We will now conclude this broadcast with one final playing of our national anthem. Thank you for listening, and may God save the King.